Hey guys, it's about that time. The sun is starting to set. It's just about sunset, and I've got a slightly different place to fly here. There's a building development back here, been kind of slowed down a little bit with the economics and stuff the way they are, building and all. But nobody seems to be coming back here too often. Looks like I got a little stretch of runway here. I'm gonna give a shot. So let's get this thing fired up and get it in the air while the Mobius camera can still see this stupid thing. Got to get a better camera that picks up lighting because I like flying in the low light conditions. I've got some planes that are going to have I'm going to end up having a lot of fun with at night. But no fun, you can't share it with somebody if they can't see it, you know. Picture gets all grainy, really bad. So, all right, sorry. I'm trying to keep you guys in view here. And we're going to check our CG real quick because we changed batteries out earlier. Got a little bit of a headwind. The wind did finally die down again, and this feels pretty good. Make sure I got flaps. That's what I wanted to do, is get a little more flap deflection. But I think we'll just go with it the way it is. It worked before. I may want a little more runway though, huh? So let's do that. Depending which way I take off. There's almost negligible wind here. I almost need to take off right that way. Well, we'll try to do it way in front of the truck at least. And hope the steering gear, this front steering on this thing is busted, so I just got it aimed straight. But it stayed on there. See if it goes straight. Sure not. Let me give it a little tweak. It doesn't have to go straight very long. This thing takes off fast. Oh, this should be a cool place to fly, really. Watch out for that pole. I'll make sure I keep it in close here, guys. Yeah, I might be able to do that. Alright, flaps. Right, left, up, down. Rudder left, rudder right. Okay, we'll aim the hat cam right so that you guys get to see whatever I'm doing here. Okay, and away we go. I'll try to keep it a little bit closer this time around and get to see the lights. Take the flaps down off of that. Did a little aileron adjustment there. You can see I'm about half throttle on this right now. And she's flying pretty straight and true. That's well, now it's hands off. Let's give it a little power, bring it up. Down, bring it up. Big loop. A little bit better on the roll. think we'll have to give it a little more aileron. See how she does inverted. Oh, she doesn't mind inverted at all. In fact, let's see if she'll go up inverted. Bring it around. And here she comes. Sure enough. Alright, now the breeze just changed. So I'm going to have to land her facing me, but I think we got a little time yet. Fly this thing around. Hope you guys can see this. Like I say, the Mobius camera doesn't get very good lighting, and I'm trying to keep this really close. I mean, when I say really close, this is getting really damn close. This knife edge is pretty nice. Oh, got a car coming. Somebody might be saying something here pretty soon. I'm going to bring it out this way and walk down back to my truck, and then I'm going to bring it around for a landing. Okay, we'll cut throttle. Losing, I'm turning around directions here. Pardon me about that here. Alright, I'm going to bring it down to the end over here and see if I can just bring it really like right down. Put the flaps on, see what we get. I've only got the takeoff flaps set on this one. It's getting kind of dark, kind of hard to see. I better get it down here pretty quick. Alright, we're going dead stick now. Where's my truck? Okay, got it. Oh, damn curb. Actually, I think that weed caught it. I don't see any damage. Twisted the front, twisted the front gear, the front nose gear here again. That's no big deal. But the rest of it's fine. except for that gear. All right, so I guess we won't be taxiing her back to the truck unless I. There we go. Stick her back like that again. Man, it was almost perfect, guys. That was really looking pretty good. I'm tempted to do it again just to get a better shot at it. Don't really trust that gear, though. We'll call enough. It's starting to get a little bit darker out anyway, and I was starting to have a little bit of trouble up over this side. So, anyway. You know me. Oh man, tempted, but it won't go straight. Okay, I guess I'm done, whether I want to be or not. Thanks for watching. Another flight of the Cessna. I'm going to come up with a better idea yet. In fact, actually, I already have for that front gear. I actually do have the replacement, but you got to carve the fucking, excuse my French, you actually got to carve the whole darn front of the fuselage off, and the motor mount and everything to do it. So I'm bound and determined to come up with something better. I'm thinking maybe like a ski, just put a ski on the thing and call it a day. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this turns out.